mate? You ready to go, sleepyhead? Ready to go? Let's go. I don't know where we are, but I just got woken up by Mason doing something. He's filling up the car. It's freaking noisy. Ugh. Ow, 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 ow. Something's hot under the car. The heater's been on because it's been freezing. We must be close because it's daylight. I'm going to pretend I'm still asleep so I don't have to drive. Where are we, bud?
I don't know, mate. It's still on the Brucey. We're...
Benbari. Bar, mate. He's got no idea where we are, but that's good. We're near Gladstone, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're near Gladstone. Oh yeah, that means we're in crocodile country, bar.
We are, mate.
Oh, shit. So we're probably going to get eat up. Wow, that's alright. Oh, I slept good. Skeleton Creek, yeah, that's really reassuring. Nice. Thing on it. Here we are in Little Gladstone. We got told to come to this spot by a mate, and I don't think it's going to serve us any good. Is it now? Because where are you meant to go? If that's private property up there, we can't go on there. There's no way you cast one over that. And you reckon there's crocodiles in here, mate?
Yep.
Oh, I'm going down near the water.
Jump in.
I'm not going anywhere near that. There could be crocodiles in there. I don't plan on getting eaten this trip. Not ideal.
This is where you're meant to be casting.
It's ankle deep.
It's deep enough, mate.
Fish right there.
Yep.
What is it? Don't know, Mason. I don't know. Don't know. Finally decided after driving around for 4 hours that we're going to stay at the first spot. Whoa, look at that. There's fish everywhere. But anyway, cheers, mate. We made it to Gladstone. We didn't crash, we didn't die. A few close calls, but we made it. So here we go. Here's the setup. Have a look at it. She's good to go. That's me up there. This is Macy down here. The boys over here gave us a crab before. We're going to do a little cook up. Mason's,
Don't give us a hand, mate.
Mason's struggling.
Alright.
He's asking for
it. Don't give me a hand. You know, I just spent all that time helping you.
I'm coming. You got nothing to skillet it with. Bit of beer. This is putrid, by the way. We haven't cleaned it. We just put beer in there. Cooking segment with Tim, with Slicey. Got a little bit of beer in there. Are you gonna film or just? Bacon on beer. It's gonna taste like absolute shit.
On a non-cooked, non-cleaned pan.
It's not clean at all. You're gonna get your filming skills up.
Well, mate, some dickhead had a screen on his camera.
You don't need it if you just hold it and not in the sun. Yep. And action. Sticking, would you believe?
I wouldn't. You don't have enough of this in there.
So now we're going beer boiled bacon.
That's the only way to cook, mate.
It's gonna taste horrid.
She should be good, mate.
Did that just go out?
Yep.
No, she's still on. We need to block it off.
Eagle up there. That's why you leave it in the plastic.
Doesn't that fucking melt? Alright. Mason doesn't know how to fucking film properly.
You're filming the fucking.
I'm filming us. You know how wide this spreads?
As far as your
The kids are
arsehole.
probably in it. Yeah. Yeah. That's not very far.
Like this.
Yeah. It's a nice little spot. I reckon Mason's gonna catch a shark.
Big barrel tonight, mate.
Yep. When the tide's in.
Yeah.
We'll catch something. But anyway, this beer bacon stinks. Shit, I can't even film properly. Anyway, I'm gonna get the cast net out and catch some live bait.
Does this dickhead throw the fucking cast net? Have a stab. Oh, not. Yes.
What's the plan anyway? We don't really have one.
No plan with us, mate. Been trying to plan this trip for the last month.
This poor lady's got to listen to our fucking shenanigans. She can perv if she wants, mate. We didn't bring. I gotta get the cast net in. That's hot. We'll eat this bacon. Have another couple of tins. Get into the flushing. Mate, if you go through 2 bowls of pork, I'll be ashamed. Did you get a plate?
No, I didn't.
City slickers in the bush.
We do it right.
We do it fun though.
Where are my plates?
I don't know what you do with your plates. Do you want to sample some of my beer bacon?
It doesn't look very cooked, mate.
That's warm, it's cooked enough.
That's raw.
It's not raw.
That is raw. Raw bacon.
That's how I eat bacon. I'm gonna cook.
The crisp.
I hate crisp bacon.
Smashing up.
Are you gonna eat some? We don't even need a plate, eh? It was a little bit cold.
Bit.
How do you rate my cold beer bacon? Yeah.
Bit of fucking Airguard. Bit of Lewis scent. Great.
You even got me a beer. This is living, eh? Now I just need to find a darling that does this shit.
Does anal.
She doesn't have to, but wouldn't be bad. Sure. We're gonna get demonetized because of that.
We're listening to music.
You're not allowed to have it on YouTube. It's called copyright.
Perfect.
Yeah, I know. So the game was, first one to catch a mullet, the other person has to shotgun a drink. Of course, Macy gets one straight up, so looks like I'm shotgunning.
Little mullet. Swim
Yeah, well, I've seen what you did, mate.
into the shallow and just threw it onto the.
So like I said before, we had this deal. First one to get a mullet in the cast net for bait, the other person has to scull, do a shotgun. So here we are, doing a little shotgun, boy. Might have to use the knife.
Thumb over. Thumb in the bum.
You gotta open it up. Ready?
I want to catch a fish. Go in, son. Go in, son. Don't stop. Good boy. Good boy.
That hurt every bit of my soul.
How?
So you have to scull one.
Well, I did say that. You got to catch one first.
I'm gonna catch two first for it to count.
You got to catch one to be on the board. Not a bad cast, mate. Not a bad throw. If you get bony brim, that's -2. I bet you there's only 2 in there. Yeah. And then I'll cast, I'll get 3.
Read it and weep, sister.
Where's your bony brim?
Didn't get one.
Yeah, you dropped him out there, cheating dog. Now shotgun your fucking beer. Yeah, go fill the water up, dickhead.
Rules are rules, Macy boy. If I doubled your catch, you had the shotgun. Ease it in, bro.
Ease your mother in.
Cheers, brother. It's a messy shotgun, but he's getting there. Thanks for getting on my toe. Finish it up.
Catch and cook, the giant sea mullet. Great for eating. Size limit's got to be 42. He goes about 57.
So catch and cook tonight. We didn't catch a damn thing. Thanks to Mason.
That's some dickhead that didn't catch me bait.
Yeah, fair call. I didn't catch any bait for the young man. But the boys behind us gave us a crab and we're going to cook him up.
Boil?
It looks rank in there.
As long as she's boiling, mate.
There's some brown shit on top.
That's all good. Wow.
So, we're going to drop the crab in now, eh?
Is it boiling?
Have a look.
What's the brown shit?
I don't know what the brown shit is.
That's rough. Slap him in, mate. Should be
Boiling, it's boiling.
Drop him in.
This is a crab we got from the blokes next door before.
Go floor him in.
Not a bit of crab.
Floor him in. Oh, he's alive still.
Yeah. Don't hit him.
I was gonna floor him. See if he bites.
I don't want to put him in. You do it. I hate doing this shit. You're useless.
He
cunt.
stabbed me, cunt.
Put him in quick.
Well, he's not dead at all.
There's no one here dead. Ready? Real quick.
1,
2, 3, go. That's the quickest, most humane way of doing it. Put him in the fridge for a while first. Maybe the freezer gets him quicker. So he wouldn't have felt a damn thing. Hey,
He was already gone.
he was already half
frozen.
asleep. So we're gonna do crab and noodle.
Crab noodle.
Crab noodle.
You said you were bringing stuff to Damper.
That was my fault. That was my
All you
doing.
needed was flour.
It's not just flour.
It's flour, water, and whatever else you want to put into your damper.
He's right. He's done. See how it's falling apart?
Yeah, that's.
Put it down on that thing. Right, so that's a crab done. Okay. Let's sit
Why
this.
didn't you?
Ow! Should we use the brown water to cook our noodles? Alright, so we got crab done. Do you want to prep the noodles, mate?
Oh, yeah, just throw him on the fire, mate. And actually, we don't. We have a bin bag.
Yeah.
Pick up your rubbish, mate. Do not litter.
It's a very good rule, actually.
It is.
I'm glad Mason brought that up, because usually he's too fucking pissed.
I never litter.
He doesn't litter.
Never. Doesn't matter how pissed I am. That's what he gets for bullshit.
I'd hit my shin.
Look after the environment.
Yeah. You have to. You literally have to. You reckon it ruins it for everyone else.
It's that simple.
Don't be a fuckwit. Put your shit in the fucking bin.
We'll have a sample of this crab before we go. Boy, that's a lot of meat. Just one leg. Did you go in your eye? Show the peeps. Oh, it's too late. Show them the little tentacle bit that's left. Bit of cartilage inside. You gotta watch that. Whoops. Did a little fart. Alright. You gotta move around here a bit more. Anyway, do you want to try crab cook?
Bit of crab, yeah, I'll try a bit of crab.
So this is the catch and cook today, literally noodles.
Went fucking shit with the fishing,
Went terrible with the fishing.
so caught ourselves some 2-minute noodles.
They're hot.
But, beautiful neighbours,
Oh, the beautiful neighbours.
got us one of these.
Bit of water in that.
Bit of water.
Bit of juice in that.
Doing a piss.
Cheers.
Wow.
That's a big crab claw, eh? So I think you do this, bud. Look at this, ready?
Even to, yeah, but
That is a
lollipop.
lollipop right there.
That's what they call a lollipop.
That is all.
And with the snot trail.
Yeah, I'm not about that.
With the snot trail. Probably pinch that off. The old snot trail.
Yeah, I'd be nipping that off. Oh. I don't suggest you use your teeth. Bad idea. Look at the look at the pudding on my hand.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm going.
We're back in a minute, peeps.
What?
I've got a bit of a sore throat. I must have been snoring. How many times do you want to slam the door, you bastard? Morning, boys. It would appear everyone is up. Have a look at this. We had a few drinks with the neighbours last night and she got wild. They flipped the tinny in the water. Macy and Griff flipped the tinny upside down in the crock water. Yeah. It was pretty funny. But now, I've got to sober up. And Buck would go for a drive. Still feeling shit, mate?
Nah, come on.
That's it, she's nearly packed down. We've only got that brothel thing to put back in the car, which is rank. It's got braised steak and onion tins. It's not good. It's going on your swag, unfortunately, bud. We probably could. It's going to come straight out if we strap it up there. But anyway, that's us. Start of a new day. I think we're going to Uncle Paul's, so it's probably not going to be much of a video today, is it?
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Probably go for a fish now, you reckon? Probably, definitely golf tomorrow. Mason's training for the PGA Tour.